This is the 13.6 guided practice with Mr. B. I'm going to be doing the odds. It's all about triangles and how their angles correlate to their sides. So here we go. The first one. It says, order the sides of each triangle from shortest to longest. So as we learned, the angle correlates to its side. So the smallest angle, its opposite side would be the smallest side. So our smallest angle in number 1 is 52, so that would mean our smallest side is ML. Then going from there, the second smallest is angle L, so its opposite side would be MK. And then last, we just know that angle M, opposite side would be LK. That's all you need to do. So let's do the same thing with measure 3. So I see that angle J is the smallest angle. Its opposite side is KL. And then the second smallest is angle L, and its opposite side is JK. And then our last side, 84, which is angle K, its opposite side is JL. All right, here at number 5, we need to name the largest and smallest angle in each triangle. So again, if the angle correlates to the side, then the side correlates to the angle. So to find the largest angle, I would need to find the largest side. So this is the longest side, and its opposite would be A. So measure A is your largest side, and the smallest would be the smallest side. So that's 9.5, which is BA, which correlates to angle C. And that's all you need to do. Same thing with number 7. Find the smallest. The smallest side is YZ, and that correlates, or that goes to angle X. So the smallest would be angle X. And then our largest would be 16. And then we'll go to angle Z. They have these mixed up, but you should put the largest first. All right, state if the 3 numbers can be the measures of the side of a triangle. Explain why or why not. So I got a little note here. The sum of 2 sides must be greater than the third side. So for number 9, if we had a triangle like this, and it was 7, 11, and 17, any 2 sides must be greater than the third side. So if I added this side plus this side, it's got to be greater than the last side. And that goes, you can do that 3 different ways. So if I did the same thing, the bottom side and the left side would have to be greater than 11. And then finally, the 2 sides would have to be greater than the base when added up. If not, it doesn't make sense. So it can't be. So in order to do number 9, I would do 7 plus 11. 7 plus 11 is 18, and that's bigger than 17, so we're good there. Then I would do 11 plus 17, that's bigger than 7, so I'm good there. And then 7 plus 17 is larger than 11, so I'm good there. So I would say yes. And then in your explanation, you would say the sum of 2 sides are greater than the third side in all cases. All right, and then same thing for number 11. So 10 plus 3 is greater than 7. 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. It's not greater. So I would say no, and I would just say the sum of 7 and 3 is equal to 10. Or you could say the sum of 2 sides is equal to 1 side. All right, 13 and 15. The 2 sides of a triangle of the following measures. Find the range of possible measures for the third side. So what you need to do is you need to subtract, and then you need to add. So you want to set your equation up, you want to set your final answer up like I have here. and these are just blanks that you're going to fill in. X is going to be your range, or the middle of your range, I guess you could say. So so with these two numbers here, you do 14 minus 14, that's going to give you 0. And then 14 plus 14 is going to be 28. And that's your answer right there. That's your final answer. And this one, in 15, what you want to do is you want to take the biggest number minus the smallest number. So, for example, you wouldn't want to do 9 minus 10. You'd want to do 10 minus 9. So it'd be 1. And then 9 plus 10 is 19. And that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. Otherwise, I will see you tomorrow. Thanks.